Hey, so I saw this article recently and I thought it was a really good one. It's really short. It's a really quick read, but it was something that resonated with me right now because at my firm, a big push for me is getting folks to understand the importance of the data we put into our models, the data we use on projects, and how we need to really make sure we're creating quality data because it'll benefit our clients currently, but it will also benefit us long term if we ever want to leverage that data in AI, or if we want to just simply parse that information in a database and then visualize it in a tool like Power BI. For it to be really useful to us, we need to understand what we're creating currently and have some sort of standard around that. So this article kind of talks about, the flashiness of AI and how that's really cool and impactful, but the big thing that makes that so powerful is having good formatted data, good high quality data that is standardized, that is organized in a way that can be used for those types of things in the future. So definitely check this article out if that's something interesting to you. But I think this relates to some of the things on this channel where we are messing around with NIME and transforming data and visualizing that data through Power BI and, messing around with other tools that give us that perspective on the data that's in our models and what might be going into them. Because those tools could also be used to validate models, to audit them, and show that the information is correct or not. And at some point on the channel, I'll talk about proactively monitoring models for just issues within the models that may be related to data or just good design, and then alerting the appropriate party, appropriate designers or people, whoever needs to be informed. But that is, it's huge, and it's not just an individual person that makes sure all of our data is great, but it takes an entire team and a mindset when it comes to creating this stuff, a shift in mindset. Because creating quality data, there's so much benefit to it, and it's not just an easy thing that we can throw a tool at. So anyways, I'd love to hear your perspectives on this, what your thoughts are. Comment below. And this link or this article will be shared below in the description if you want to check it out. They've also got some other interesting topics as well. I haven't read their other articles, but it might be worth checking out. Just what else is on this page here or in this website. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.